Hi, welcome to Robyn's Roost. I'm Robyn Rasset, an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator here in Minnesota. Today I want to share with you a fun Shark Frenzy swinging tent card. It's super fast to put together, simple, but yet it's kind of a wow card. And I'm having a lot of fun with the Shark Frenzy stamp set. So let me just flip my camera here and I'll show you what we're going to do. So here's our Shark Frenzy stamp set and the matching shark dies. Now, there's 22 stamps in here, and it goes with that cute little camping kid song, Mama Shark, doot, 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 doot. And the matching die set cuts out most of the images on the stamp set. And then it also has a couple of border dies and some greenery, some fish, bubbles, little hat and a cane and a tie and a bow tie. Lots of fun things to play with in here. So I'm going to set these off to the side and I'll just give you a quick view. It is in the catalog, the January to June mini catalog that just came out. It's in the catalog on page 46, so you can get all the information on ordering there or go to my website. And the card that we are going to be making, here is a sample. You can see these little guys are swinging or hanging from the top, and it is a tent card that folds on the bottom, so it will stand up. I know you can't see that very well that way, but to give you an idea how it stands up. So to make this card, you are going to start with an 11 by 4 1/4 inch piece of cardstock, and then you're going to score it at 5, 5 1/2, and 6. So if you were making a normal card, you would score it at 5 1/2, but you're going to give yourself those extra folds to make your accordion. And then we are going to take 2 pieces of the Whale of a Time Designer Series paper, and we're going to adhere these, and these are cut to 4 by 4 3/4. We're going to put the dark one in the back, and I chose some different colors on this card without actually kind of layering them together, so hopefully they're going to go good. And when you adhere your pieces on this one, remember that the bottom of the card is the middle, if that makes sense. It's a little bit different than a typical card, because normally you would, the fold would be the other way. But so you have to remember that this is the bottom. I'm saying that twice because my first, well, actually it wasn't my first card I made. I think it was the second one. I goofed and I adhered my paper upside down and it mattered. So I now have a card base that I need to figure out what I'm going to do with. Okay, so we have that all adhered. And our next step is we're going to take a circle die, and I used the, it's like 2 5/8 inch circle, and cut this out. So here is our card with the circle cut out. And I've also added a strip of the foam adhesive. So just put that along the top, and we're going to hang our shark pieces from there once we get them stamped. So we're going to set that aside for a minute. We'll do our stamping. Okay, so we will start with the tuxedo, our outline stamps. And I think for this one, I just found out, okay, I have to share with you, if you don't know me, I have 6 grandchildren, and they are all boys. And we just had a baby reveal. We're expecting another grandchild in May. And we were all certain it was going to be another boy because, 6 times. Oh my God, the reveal said pink. So I'm a little excited. So for this card, I think I'm going to make a little girl shark. And my son, who's having the new baby, already has a little boy. So I'm going to put 2 little baby sharks on here. And this is going to be for my son, Corey, and his children, Isaac, and our new baby girl, Lily. Okay, so we are going to start with stamping the daddy shark. And I'm going to do him with the, balmy Balmy Blue. I'm losing track. I got so darn excited about baby girl stuff. Okay, we'll line him up. Okay, so there's our daddy shark. And then I'm kind of trying to match the colors of the well done paper. And the pinkiest one they had was the Calypso Coral, which, you know, I think it could kind of go either way. But that's going to be our baby girl. Ooh. So we'll go ahead and stamp her. And then we're going to do our Isaac Shark in Coastal Cabana. And it's kind of funny because Isaac was over here the other day and he was having so much fun stamping sharks. He really enjoyed that. And Isaac is 3 and will be 4 in March. So it's always kind of fun if I have time to be patient with the grandkids and stamp with them. So now we have those all stamped. We're going to go ahead and cut those out. So here we have all of our pieces. And now to assemble them, I'm going to take some of the metallic thread, and you could use fish line too. I just happen to have metallic thread here in my stamp room. And I just took a piece of tear and tape and tape that on. I'm going to cut this a little bit long, and then we can trim it to what we need once we get them all in place. Okay, so then I'm just going to lay these in here so I kind of get a feel for where I'm going to want everybody. Way up higher than that. Okay. A little bit more yet. Then I am going to peel off my tape here. Get this one in there. I'm going to snip off the ends. And then I think I will just curl them back. Maybe. And then we're just going to close the card. And we're going to make this one Daddy Shark. My other one said Baby Shark on it. This is a 3/4 inch scrap of paper here that I have saved. I always save all my scraps. Way too many. I end up being a scrap hoarder at times. And then every now and then I go and clean and I de-scrap. Luckily I hadn't lately. So we've got our Daddy Shark. And this is just jade. I love this Whale of a Time paper. It has so many fun colors in it. You can kind of just you're not limited to just like a blue. It has like multiple blues and greens in it, and you even have that Calypso Coral. I hang it over here a little bit there, and then oops, those are my ribbon scissors. Let me grab a pair of snips. Don't want to use the ribbon scissors. Ooh, and these snips feel like they've been cutting adhesive. Slightly sticky. There we go. Not quite sure I like the way that little guy's hanging in front. He'll be fine. There. So there is our hanging tent card with our little sharkies in there. And now I just want to show you a few other cards that I've been making. Here is my fold back pop-up sharks. Here is another pop-up card, my little sharks inside. This is my pull-out card with the baby shark who swims across in front of Mama Shark or Daddy Shark. And then we have our hungry shark. I actually cut him apart, and this card I cased right out of the catalog. It is so stinking cute. Here is my matching Grandma and Grandpa Shark. Here is my crazy family card with the whole family there. And this one was also in the catalog, and I cased this. So I hope you enjoyed these shark cards.